Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am studying 10th standard at Lokchi Tutorial. Today I am presenting an interesting seminar in front of you great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar regarding excretion. Do you know friends what is excretion? Yes, exactly. Excretion is nothing but the sending out the waste material from our body. The excretion process occur in our kidneys. The kidney structure is bean-shaped structure, nothing but concave and the combination of concave and convex. Do you know friends what are the excretory organs in our body? Yes, exactly. Skin, kidney, intestine, liver, anus, mouth, eye. First, we will discuss about skin. The skin contains sweat glands and sebaceous gland. In the sweat glands are releasing the sweat, nothing but waste material in our body. With the help of skin, the sweat will be released. And sebaceous gland is useful for the releasing out fatty acids, amino acids in our body. Next, kidney. The kidney will transport the waste material from our body. Example, the urine will send out from our body with the help of filtration of urine. And intestine, in the large intestine, the storage tanks will be produced. In the food storage tank, the waste material are sending out in the presence of anus. In the anus, it is the excretory organ to send out the waste material. And eye, it is the send out the nitrogenous waste material. And mouth, it is also sending out nitrogenous waste material. And the kidney is the best material for sending out waste material in our body. And TS of kidney, I will show the picture of detailed structure of kidney. Here observe, it is bean-shaped structure. It contains cortex. Here medulla. Here medulla oblongata is linked with the kidney and fifth canal. Now the message will transmit the information with the help of nerve cell. And this is renal artery. It contains deoxygenated blood and transform the deoxygenated blood body parts to heart. Renal vein. It is linked with heart. Nephron. Here the glomerular filtration, tubular secretion, tubular reabsorption and the formation of urine occur. This is pelvis. Ureter. Here the formation of urine will send out to the urinary bladder. This is calyx. This is the structure of kidney. Mechanism of urine formation. Do you know friends where the urine formation will be occur? Yes, exactly. The urine formation occur in 4 levels. Glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion, formation of urine. First, we will discuss about glomerular filtration. I will show the picture of structure of neuron. This is the structure of pelvis, nothing but nephron. This is glomerulus. This is Malpighian body. This is efferent arteriole, Bowman's capsule, first convoluted tubule, second convoluted tubule, collecting duct, loop of Henle, capillary network, open to pelvis. Here Malpighian body, nothing but in the end of the Malpighian body, the glomerulus filtration will occur. In the glomerulus filtration, the urine will enter into the Malpighian body and it contain primary urine. Here first make about the primary urine. And here the first convoluted tubule, nothing but PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Here the secondary primary will be produced with the help of proximal convoluted tubule and tubular reabsorption. The tubular reabsorption means here tube-like structure contain one tube. Here the secondary urine will enter and the filtration process will be occur, and the like minerals will enter into the tubular reabsorption and tubular secretion. Here the urine will again reabsorb by the tubular secretion, and finally formation of urine will occur. Do you know, friends, why the urine is present in pale yellow color? Yes, exactly. The urine is present pale yellow color because the more urea is present. Do you know, friends, which hormone is does not present to the sugar patients? Yes, exactly. Vasopressin hormone. In this hormone, the more sugar will be present. By this hormone, the diabetes will be affected. I will show the picture of nephron with the help of Malpighian body. Here the open to pelvis, the tube-like structure will pass into the urine, into the capillaries network. And here DCT is present, digital convoluted tubule. I will show the total excretory system. This is the total excretory system. In the upside of the kidney contain adrenal gland. This is posterior vena cava. This is linked with deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood with the help of lungs and the heart. Dorsal aorta, renal artery, left kidney, renal vein, left ureter, opening of ureter in urinary bladder. This is urethra. This is the starting stage to male reproductive system. In this urinary bladder, the urine will be present. In this way, the waste product of water system will be passed into the urinary bladder. And here, the blood will exchange into deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. This is adrenal gland. With the help of ureter and urethra and opening of bladder, the water, nothing but the waste water will be enter into the urinary bladder. The urethra is present in our body upside of the lungs, and the kidney is prepared by special bean-like structure. Here the urethra and ureter, urinary bladder are present with the help of urine. The urine is passed into kidney to the bean-like structure, and here urinary bladder will be present. Here the 700 to 800 ml of urine is present, and here we will conclude that the male reproductive system is combined with urinary bladder. And do you know, friends, how the kidney transplantation will occur? Yes, exactly. Kidney transplantation occur in the presence of dialysis machine. The dialysis machine is also known as artificial kidney. With the help of dialysis, the exchanging of blood will be occur. And the first kidney transplantation occur in our India in 1857, Vellore in India, in Tamil Nadu, Vellore. The kidney transplantation means the kidney will damage, means the new kidney will be set. Do you know, friends, when the kidney transplantation will occur, the damaged kidney does not remove. And do you know, friends, the excretory system occur in the organisms. In the amoeba and the paramecium, the excretion will occur in sometimes with the help of evapotranspiration in the trees, and the excretory organs they are present. Example first, stomata. Here exchanging of gases, and the lungs exchanging of gases is present. I hope you understood my lesson. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my seminar. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.